Hello everybody, welcome to today's video from Acorn and Oak, and today we are going to be making my Christmas 2021 door wreath. Now my theme for 2021 are silvers, whites and blues, so that's what this is going to be predominantly. This wreath form is I think 12 inches. Let me just get my ruler. I've got it from Hobbycraft. You can get them from Amazon as well. Yes, a 12-inch foam wreath form. Now I was originally going to use white tulle and cover part of this with white tulle. Went up in the loft to get my supplies and completely forgot about the tulle. I forgot that it was up there. I thought I had it down here, and I'm not going back up there again. So I've got this blue ribbon here and it's got silver flecks in it, so I'm going to make that work. So what I'm going to do is I am going to hot glue this ribbon onto the wreath form, making sure to use a spatula because obviously hot glue is hot for a reason and we don't want to be burning ourselves. Now I'm going to cover this wreath form almost all the way around. I'm going to overlap it because obviously it's a circular wreath form, so you'll need to do that to get coverage, otherwise you'll have some of the white of the foam showing through, and I don't want that. If you find it easier to take the ribbon off the spool, then please do so. I like to keep it on so then I don't waste any. Now I can't tell you where this ribbon came from because I bought it from someone selling some craft supplies that they were getting rid of on eBay, and it was a job lot of different blue ribbons. So unfortunately I can't tell you where this is coming from because it has no labelling. Okay, last couple of twists. And we will hot glue that to the back also. Okay, let's cut off this excess. Make sure that's all glued down good and tight. Okay, right, I have got these silver glittered ferns. Now I got these from Amazon, so I will leave them linked below if they are still available. I am going to cut them down because they're a bit too long, so I'm going to cut off some of the leaves and then cut them to size. And I want one here, and I want one coming down the bottom that I've already cut. Okay, that kind of scenario. I'm also going to be using some faux greenery. This is faux greenery from my stash. You can get this from Amazon and eBay. I do have these winter looking sprays as well. I also got these from Amazon, but you can get them from Amazon and eBay. You may have to double the base wire because it's not as strong. as the ones from the glittery ferns. This is from my stash. I can't remember where I got this from. I think it might be Poundland a few years ago. Okay, I want one of these towards the back, so I'm going to lift my things up, and in fact I'm going to put it underneath the ribbon, if I can get it up. And you can put some glue under there if you want, but the ribbon is quite tight, so I don't think it's necessary. I've got these baubles here that I've got. They're in my Christmas bauble stash. I was thinking of adding some of these, and I've also got two foam snowflakes, which I was thinking of adding. Just for a touch of whimsy. I think I need to put some sort of wooden skewer on it, just so it can stick out a bit. So I'm just pushing in this wooden skewer, and I will cut it to size. That way I can push it into the foam, and it will then stick out where I want it to stick out. Got a mixture of lovely blues and silver poinsettias. I got these ones on Amazon. I'll leave the link below if they're still available. These I got from eBay, but I think you can get these on Amazon as well. So I'll probably do something with those. And I was thinking of using, if I can find it, the lovely ribbon that Danielle sent me, but I think it's going to be too thick. So what I might do is cut some of this and make some loops. I want some loops sticking out. Maybe not. Maybe I just want the poinsettias in the middle. Haven't decided yet, crafters. want a silver one here, crafters, or a blue one? Let's have a look. So that's the silver. And if I put the blue one, what do you think? Or maybe under here. So I think this is sticking out too high up. Need to submerge it slightly. Okay, let's put this back. Do I want one? I think I'll go for the silver. And that'll just catch whatever it's going to catch. Just going to put one just under here, just to give that some lift. Okay, and I think I'm done, crafters. Okay, crafters, there we go, it's all done, and I'm really happy with it. This is going to blend very well with my theme this year. So thank you very much for joining me today. And you'll see me very soon with more Christmas craft. Take care now. Bye bye.